Okay, lesson 9.2 is on page 373 of your Go Math book. Okay, so this would be your assignment for today to complete your homework. In your homework book, it's going to be pages 185 and 186, lesson 9.2, which is about order pairs. Okay, so let's go ahead and start reading. Please make sure that you are on page 373 on your Go Math book, the book that we used in the classroom. Okay, order pairs. How can you identify and plot points on a coordinate grid? Locating a point on a coordinate grid is similar to describing directions using north, south, and west, east. The horizontal number line on the grid is the x-axis. Maybe you want to underline this. Okay, the horizontal. Remember that horizontal means going across. The vertical number line on the grid is the y-axis. Vertical lines go from top to bottom and bottom to top. Okay, each point on the coordinate grid can be described by an ordered pair of numbers. The x-coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair is the horizontal location, or the distance the point is from 0 in the direction of the x-axis. The y-coordinate, the second number in the ordered pair, is the vertical location, or the distance the point is from 0 in the direction of the y-axis. What does that mean? Let's look at this right here. Okay, so when you have an ordered pair of numbers, your first number would be how you need to walk on the x-coordinate. That means how you need to walk to the right, starting from 0. Okay, once you walk to the right, or after you walk to the right, or you walk horizontally on the x-coordinate, then you walk going up on the y-coordinate. Okay, and the y-coordinate would be the second number. Okay, so on a coordinate grid, the x-axis and the y-axis intersect at the point 0, 0, called the origin. Okay, so the origin will always be your starting point. Okay, that is where you are always going to start, from the origin, starting point. So we're gonna place our pencil in the origin, and then we're going to find the first number in our coordinate grid, and that number will tell us how we need to walk to the right, and the second number will tell us how we need to walk going up. Okay, all right, so let's start going over our coordinate grid. Okay, write the order pairs for the locations of the arena and the aquarium. Locate the point for which you want to write an order pair. Look below at the x-axis to identify the point's horizontal distance from 0, which is its x-coordinate. Look to the left at the y-axis to identify the point's vertical distance from 0, which is the y-coordinate. Okay, so for the arena, we're going to start to find what the first number is in our order pair. We're going to start from the 0, and then we're going to count how many steps. Okay, we walked 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 would be our first number. Okay, oops, sorry. That number doesn't go there. It's already on right here, 3. Okay, to find the second number, we count how many steps we went up. 1, 2. We walked 2 steps on our y-coordinate, so that's why 2 is the second number. Okay, now the aquarium, we don't know what the order pair for the aquarium is. Okay, so to find what the first number is, we need to start from 0 and then count all the way to where the aquarium is on the x-axis, which is this line on the bottom going to the right. Okay, so we're going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I stop at 9 because I know that the dot for the aquarium is on this line right here. So my x-axis is 9. So my first number in the order pair for the aquarium would be 9. To find the second number in this order pair, I need to count how many steps I went to the top, walking on the y-axis, which is this vertical line right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so the y-axis, or the second number in my order pair, is number 4. And this would be the order pair for the location for the aquarium. Okay, so it's very simple. The first number would be how many steps we walk towards or across a y-axis, which is this line on the bottom. And the second number would be how many steps we walked up on the y-axis, which is this vertical line that we have here. Okay, all right, next. Describe the path you would take to get from the origin to the aquarium using horizontal then vertical movements. Okay, so to get from the origin to the aquarium, how many steps do we need to do we need to walk to the right? Okay, how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So I would go to the right I will go to the right 9 units. What about going up? Okay, how many units did we walk from the x-axis to the location of the aquarium? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then up 4 units. Okay, so that would be the answer for this question. All right. Okay, I'm going to record the next page on a different video.